In this video, we show you how to fix lag on your PS5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you experience stuttering in online games or poor performance, there are several things you can do to fix it. The single best way to fix network lag is to switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection. Connect an Ethernet cable from your PS5 directly to your internet router. Now from the home screen, go to Settings, Network. On the Settings tab, select Setup Internet Connection. Highlight your network, press the Options button and go to Advanced Settings. Change DNS settings to manual and set the primary DNS to 8888 and the secondary to 8844. Now if you're using a Wi-Fi, make sure it's optimized. Move your PS5 as close to the router as possible, and you can also try changing the frequency band. Press the Options button again on your network and set the Wi-Fi frequency band to 5 GHz for faster speeds if you're close to the router. If your lag is a low frame rate, not a network issue, you can switch your PS5 to performance mode. Go back to the main settings menu and this time select Save Data Game App Settings. Go to Game Presets and here set your console to performance mode.